here's a glitch that I found in Heavy Rain. Just started playing it like an hour ago. Already found a glitch. Check it out. Can't walk down, can't walk up. Stuck in the stairs area. Let me see if I can hold the camera while doing this. Hold on one sec. Uh, Check it out. Trying to walk, can't do anything. Trying to go back down, can't do anything. See? Fucking retarded. Come on, and they just released a patch as soon as I got it too. You fucking kidding me? What is this bullshit, dude? It's a joke. This is really fucking retarded. Come on, man. It's like the first fucking part of the game.